Previously on WeWanderlustCo, we went on a full day of exploring Arashiyama, one of the most beautiful places we've experienced in Kyoto. The autumn leaves left us speechless, but then we met our new local friend. Today we take a break from all the momojigari and head to downtown Osaka to explore DOTONBORI, go on the hunt for a used camera, and do some thrift shopping.
We decided to take a little break today from all the momojigari, the fall leaves viewing. So yeah, we're gonna head over to
Downtown Osaka.
Yeah.
We are going to go over to the Dotonbori area where Dotonbori is the entertainment district, and we're going to see lots of large illuminated billboards. There's lots of restaurants. Osaka is also known as the kitchen of Japan, so maybe we'll try some nice maybe Japanese curry
We'll see
something
that.
exciting down there, and also maybe get in some shopping.
Yeah.
I still need a scarf, maybe another jacket or something.
Possibly some gloves too, because my hands have been freezing the past couple of days.
Yeah.
So
All that is today, so come join us
All right.
on this fun day. To see Hello Kitty tree. So cute.
Number 5, 6, and 7 are for passengers without seat reservations. Services are non-smoking.
So our first stop is at an unmanned thrift store, but we just stepped out of the Nagai station, and right in front of us, we have a 7-Eleven. How convenient.
it's right in front of the station as soon as you exit.
Yeah.
How convenient is that? That is so Japan-like. Oh, by the way, cool fun fact in 7-Eleven, actually it's Japanese owned. It used to be a US company before, but I believe in the mid-90s or 2000s, mid-2000s, it got bought out by a Japanese group firm. So yeah, they decided to take it up a notch and make it that much better.
Yeah, I know. It's we love.
Yeah,
7-Eleven.
it's very convenient. Yeah. So head on over to the
Unmanned thrift store.
see how that experience is.
So we finally made it here to Furugi Mujin Hanbai. It is a thrift clothing store, and everything is between 500 and 4,000 yen, and it just depends on the color of the hanger. But supposedly they have some nice hidden gems, so I'm hoping to find something good from here. Let's shop. It's a cute vintage dress, but it's very nice, light and flowy. I need warm clothes.
Yeah.
They have quite a nice selection. They have both summer and fall winter clothes, but I just didn't find what I was looking for, so I think we're gonna move ahead and go to a different place.
Yeah. Oh, actually, everything coming out here was free with the JR Pass.
Well, we have already paid for the JR Pass, but we're making full use
Mosa,
of it.
yeah.
I think it seems annoyed that we came all the way out there and I didn't buy anything, but the JR Pass is free.
7-Eleven. 7-Eleven.
Oh,
Yeah. That is within walking distance.
oh yeah, truly.
Oh my goodness.
I thought this was the same 7-Eleven we thought. Okay, it's not. Wonderful thing about Japan is most of the time the trains are on time. There are rarely any delays
Yeah.
that we've experienced,
No.
but it really keeps us on our toes
Yeah.
and helps us be organized.
Organized, yeah.
Because if we miss a train, then sometimes it's only a couple of minutes wait,
Couple
but
minutes, yeah.
sometimes it could be like half an hour.
Yeah, 15 to half an hour, but
And that kind of eats into your day of exploration.
Yeah.
So we've been learning and being more organized.
Japan has kind of taught us time organization. So yeah, we've been kind of getting to place on time and enjoying all the train rides.
Still cannot get enough of these trains.
Cannot. Every time a train passes, I gotta take a video.
Who knew we were such train enthusiasts?
Yeah.
I know we love the BTS.
BTS in Bangkok was really nice. Yeah. But I feel like Japan is maybe like 20x the amount of trains, if not more. Yeah. We're walking over to Kimonoya Shafeen's.
It's a store that specializes in kimono.
Yeah.
And there's a lot of secondhand kimonos too that they're selling. I just want to go see if I can find me a gem or two, maybe one.
Yeah.
Just because I've never really bought a kimono in Japan, and I think it would be not just something nice to wear, but also a good souvenir for myself. Let's hope I like what I see. This little alley has so many quirky things being sold, like all types of like appliances, electronics.
Yeah, electronics.
There was like an adult shop. Yeah, like this is the first time we're seeing it. Anyway, it's kind of nice. It feels really cool.
Yeah.
I'm trying to tone my voice down.
They're VHS players. Oh my goodness. Kimonoya, that's the one.
I didn't even know this was the store. I just started looking at all the clothes.
Right there.
We are here at Kimonoya. And look at all the kimonos. But honestly, I feel like they're so like tall, like long.
Oh yeah.
I feel like I want to be drowning in them. Are we supposed to get this tailored like after?
I'm not sure.
Is that how it is? Because everyone that I've seen, like it fits them. I know it probably comes in different sizes. It
Most
fits,
likely.
but they're all shorter than me, and it fits.
I was kind of explaining to Shafeen how it's not possible that this thing is taller than me. And then she's saying, hey, she doesn't have any short ones. If this thing doesn't suit me, I'm pretty sure it doesn't suit like 90% of the population.
Okay, so basically what he was saying is that I guess it gets scrunched in.
Yeah, and then possibly kind of like doubled up, yeah.
Okay, makes sense.
Makes sense, right? Yeah.
Let's see if the lady inside will. If I find something good. They have pretty colors though. I wanted a red one. Like not super red, but like or maybe like a white with like some red floral prints on it or something. But this is like a fully red. Search continues. Unfortunately, I couldn't find what I was looking for. I was looking for sort of a lighter material, but it seems like they have a lot of high quality kimonos for actually affordable. Like they have things here between 200 and 880, and then 1,000 like and up. But like they have beautiful prints, beautiful colors. These are like traditional kimonos. I think I was actually looking for like one of those kind of westernized like robes where you just kind of wear it and you kind of walk, flows in the wind, cheap stuff. But yeah,
lighter.
Lighter, definitely. But if you're coming to Osaka, definitely visit this place. It's a wonderful older couple, and they're really nice, and they kind of helped me select something. But yeah, maybe I'm just being too picky. But yeah, if you guys are in town, definitely check this place out.
Guys, I think we've ended up in the hobby section of Osaka.
It's a street full of like gachapon machines, anime characters, anime toys, clothing. There's like girl cafes or anime cafes maybe.
Hey, isn't that in the Monsters movie? Yeah, I think so.
It's like a samurai slash toy store, and I've never seen a kitty be standing up like this.
Japan is flooded with so-called fake ninjas.
Lots of cute stuff. Wow. Now we're here at Tokiwa Camera. It is I think it's a used camera store. It says tax free. So I'm trying to see if I can at least get like a little compact used camera. Maybe. Because sometimes things can get really bulky.
Yeah, and heavy.
Yes.
Yeah, so.
Let's go.
But これね、ソニーミテビッシュカメラランゲージがオービージャパンランゲージなの。
Oh, language.
Oh, okay,
オーソ
okay,
パ
okay.
ナソニック。
Oh, okay.
Cannot change.
Cannot change. Oh,
Sort of a bummer. Most Sony cameras here only have the Japanese language,
Yeah.
and unfortunately, it'll be a huge hassle for us
Yeah.
to be able to
Change
translate while
menus. Yeah.
while we're going to change menus
yeah.
and settings and stuff. So quite a selection they have.
Oh yeah.
Lenses,
To be able to
cameras,
see, yeah.
zoom lenses.
Yeah. So if you guys wanted lenses, like there's no need to change menus on lenses.
Yeah, yeah.
So yeah, I could definitely pick up lenses here. Maybe some batteries too, camera straps.
Well, good luck to you guys if you
Yeah.
come. Or if you speak Japanese, that'd
Yeah,
be
yeah.
great. I asked for permission to finally take someone's photo.
Yeah. Nice. Yeah. So we are in the back alleys of DOTONBORI, right? A whole bunch of flashing lights, a whole lot of restaurants. Shifin got that nice shot of Uncle over there.
We are right smack dab in the middle of DOTONBORI. Lots of liveliness happening.
Yeah.
Actually, it's not as busy as it was when we came in 2019. I remember it's super crowded. I think it was at night. It's just the evening has just begun. People are
Yeah.
probably getting off of work and making their way here. But man, oh man, there's so many lights.
Yeah. So many lights, so many
And
different
like
vendors.
the what do you call that? The LED lights, the billboards. Everything is like giant size. Wow.
But we're actually here at Namba Center, and we came over to go check out another electronics store.
Yes. Which is called Big Cat.
Yeah.
So let's just go peek in, take a peek,
Yeah.
give you guys a peek. If you are into shopping for electronics, maybe
Yeah.
you can see what they have.
They have suitcases. Did not know that. I thought everything was electronics. Yeah, I got your watch right here.
Yeah,
Camera lenses, camera, phone, and other cards. You see too, yeah.
ring lights,
Feel free to ask
which we do not use because we use natural light. But yeah, what a selection.
Yeah.
You know what I really like about this place is it's a really good shopping experience because you can actually touch the items.
Yeah.
You can test them out. You have tripods. You can like test them. You can test the cameras, all the lenses.
Yeah, exactly.
Like it's pretty nice. And like backpacks are even like you know when you see backpacks online and you're like, oh, I wonder how big it is or what the compartments are really looking like. You try to feel the materials and stuff. This is where that is. Like we've been this, and then there's another camera store that we'll go to later. But yeah, they allow you to open up the backpack and look inside and see if you really want it or not. So I really like this shopping experience.
It is, it is. Quick reference, guys. Imagine that.
It's so much smaller.
So much smaller. Yeah, because I'm kind of tired of carrying this one. I mean, this is year one of travel, so a lot of lessons have been learned.
Yes.
I thought it would make it work, but you know, especially when you're walking for 8 hours a day, 5 hours a day, 6 hours a day, it can get really heavy on your back. So
You can, if we're walking 30,000?
yeah, steps.
Yeah.
Steps per day.
30,000 steps per day.
At least, yeah. So yeah, this is actually a nice one.
Yo, they have a designated DJI section where you can even pick a drone and test fly it in here. That is so cool.
I know, so nice.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, drones there. Yeah. We forgot that it's not just all electronics. They also have makeup. It's not just for photographers or videographers. They have things like rice cookers,
home
irons,
appliances.
home appliances, exactly. Consumer goods,
Makeup,
consumer
there's,
electronics.
Like skincare.
Mhm.
It smells like a Don Quixote, maybe?
Yeah, if not more, yeah. Yeah.
Well,
So,
probably more.
it's like having Amazon under one roof.
Yes,
In a way,
actually,
yeah.
where you can come and kind
Yeah.
of
Just
touch your products.
Exactly. Yeah. Window
And
shop.
then buy.
Yeah.
Empty hands.
It was just like a nice window shopping experience.
Yeah.
Guys, we made it over to the main DOTONBORI area. So it's like a big cross section. So we just decided to walk one leg of it. It's so long.
And it's so huge.
Yeah.
There's so many stores,
Yeah.
restaurants, cafes, coffee shops, waffle shops, ice cream shops.
Ice cream shops. Ice cream shops that cost what, $6.50 for an ice cream?
Yeah.
We were contemplating, but we decided not to.
Yeah, it's pretty.
Yeah.
I mean, rightfully so. It's
Yeah.
a touristy area. It's pretty expensive.
Yeah.
But we're just having fun, like kind of people watching,
Yeah.
looking at all the lights, the billboards. I mean, everything is just kind of like
Yeah.
big. But
So-
there's a lot of tax-free stores here too. I noticed. Like
Yeah, exactly.
Some of the
Yeah.
stores I didn't even know about. But yeah, it's here.
Yeah, a whole lot of tax-free shopping. So if you guys want to save around up to 10%, yeah,
10 to 18%. I even saw a store with 18%. Yeah.
interesting. Yeah, there's a whole bunch of those. So the famous Osaka crab, right?
Yes.
They have similar ones. So they have a cow. They got a bull.
Yeah.
What else? Oh wait, yeah, we have a dragon. The crab's the famous one because it sits right in the intersection, the main big junction.
Yeah. It's been here forever.
Yeah, so that's the most popular one. But yeah, we're gonna make our way over there. It is kind of busy today. I don't know when it's not busy.
Probably not.
Yeah.
Probably never. It's such a popular store because I guess it's not just like, it's an entertainment district. Lots of stuff to do out here.
Yeah, a whole lot.
Folks, we have made it to 2nd Street. It is a reused shop. Vintage clothing, lots of variety. I really like it.
All right, guys, thanks for coming along with us today.
Yes, I finally found a couple of cute sweaters. Cute old sweaters
Yeah.
from 2nd Street, which is like a reused thrift shop. It's so nice. They have such a selection.
Yeah.
But yeah, we took in all the entertainment at DOTONBORI.
Yeah.
And we walked for like so many hours. If you're coming here, just expect to actually spend the whole day kind of roaming around. There's lots of tax-free shopping. And I saw that it's 18% off if you spend 50,000 in some places. So.
The next video is gonna be of us hopefully gonna go pet some deer, if anything. But anyways, guys, thanks for coming along. If you guys like the video, like and subscribe, and remember wherever you go.
Don't forget to subscribe.
See you guys next time.
Next on WeWanderlustCo.
I think he left the crossing just so everybody could cross after.
Yeah.